going on? Sir Scratch and Smoke here, back with another $20 185 million cash explosion. I got ticket number 25. Match and win. Money bags an instant 100, and there's a 20 times symbol. Now I'm looking for that money bag. I've only gotten it once. Sorry about that. I've only gotten it once, and that was a nice win. I like getting that Scunion. 20 times I'm not so excited about because I always get the dollar underneath it, but hey, the win's a win. And we'll start off with my numbers. I'm going to start off on the bottom. Uh, 46, 16, 19, 38, 10, 2, 5, 36, 48, 1, 4, 12, 26, 31, 33, 22, 28, 25, 47, 18, 30, 40, 8, 49, and 41. Alright, so I don't see any duplicates. Let's go ahead and see what my numbers are. Or the winning numbers, I'm sorry. 32, 31, and 33, but there's no 32. That's not good. 37. It's 36. It's a 38, but no 37. 9. There's an 8. Don't see a 9. 13. There's no 13. 44. There's no 44. 17. There's no 17. And finally, 45. Nope. Looks like we got a losing ticket. Alright, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.